Alrighty, good morning again, and thanks for stopping by my channel. My name's Brian and I'm recording some beehive work today. What we're doing is we're looking through our beehives for pests, for honey and for swarm activity. And what I'm really hoping I'll find is a queen cell, because I have a nucleus hive that needs a queen cell. And in my other two hives, I haven't found one. I found plenty of brood, a little bit of honey. This hive is probably my most aggro hive, strongest hive. Call that what you will. Let's see what it does. Holy dollies, what is that? That is a queen wasp. That was a queen wasp. Did you see that? Did you see the size of that wasp? That was a queen. Lordy. I don't want one of those cruising around. Almost looked like a murder hornet. That was a queen wasp, just looking for a new place to make her wasp nest. Go away. I think I got it. See it again. Yeah, see that? That's a wasp. Looking for a place to call home. These wasps are really starting to annoy me. We're going to have a look inside that hive shortly and see what's going on there. And seal it up so they can't turn it into a base. It's the last thing anybody wants around here. Now, I'm not normally a NIMBY, but when it comes to wasps, yeah, definitely not in my backyard, sunshine. No way known. Alright, so quite a strong hive, this one, historically. It's been a couple of weeks since I had a look inside. And by the way, my channel, been going now for about 3 months. Really enjoying some of the feedback I'm getting. Just sharing, you know. If you enjoy what I do, it'd be awesome if you could subscribe, please. And notice that's a please. It's not a word we hear often enough these days, but yeah, please. Let's grab my hive tool. I don't normally leave my hives unassembled like this, by the way, but given that I've got to come back potentially and grab a few frames, there's no point putting them back together completely just yet, is there? Oh gosh, this feels pretty solid. So this is the honey super, and it is, you can just tell by the feel of it, the whole hive's got some weight in it, so this might be where I get my honey frames from, whether it's for harvest. Oh boy, or what it's for. Nope, that one's pretty light. So if that one's light, another reason you want to inspect a bit more regularly, just to make sure you can get these out when you need to. Bit of weight in this one, it's a bit irregular, doesn't matter. Not as much honey as I would have hoped for in this one, to be honest. TBH. Gosh, a bit of work here, eh? Now, I've been keeping bees now for nearly 6 years. Started out with one hive out here in southern suburban Melbourne, up in the Dandenongs. That smells good. It's not ready for harvesting yet, but it smells good. That's one of the best ones I've seen yet, actually. So, where's my hive tool? What happened to my hive tool? Honestly, I'd lose my own brain if it wasn't bolted in. Time for some more smoke, I think. Probably dropped it down inside the hive. I'm good like that. Yep. So that one's pretty good. Look at that. Yeah, another one half full of honey. So they're making honey. There's a fair bit of weight in these. Oh gosh. Yep, I think I'm going to steal a couple of these from my other baby hive. It's going to be the way it's going to be. There's nothing in that one. But I certainly have attracted their attention. I'm not trying to terrify you at all, but have you noticed just how many of them are going for my face? Alright. Now, the big question on everyone's lips, what have I done with my hive tool? I know I had it 2 seconds ago. Now, if at first you don't succeed, go and get the backup. Let's go for a walk. Come with me. Not like you've got any choice after all. Let's go for a walk with my beehives. With all my bees as well. Oh, and by the way, if you have family that lives with you and you're beekeeping, let them know. Don't let them come charging down to the hives and find out the hard way that you're beekeeping. Alright. Second hive tool. Can't recommend having enough of these things because I always misplace them. As you can probably understand, sometimes during beekeeping, although I sound calm, the adrenaline is absolutely going on. Look at this. A lot of people would look at that and go, I'm not going anywhere near that. Look at these girls, eh? They're a bit cranky. I can't say I blame them. Alrighty, let's undo the clips and see what's inside. This one has clips, quite clever that. Yep, definitely weight in that one. And we found our hive tool. So bonus. My son gave me this one. It's got a magnetic doohickey on it, which makes it stick to your leg, so it's easy to find. I still lose the damn things. Now the big hope right now, you see how much stronger this hive is compared to the other one. A few weeks back this one had 8 queen cells in it. It hasn't swarmed yet. I was able to control that. I'm hoping it's made another one. Or 2. If they've made more queen cells, happy beekeeper. I'm going to take those 2, a couple of frames of honey, and some nurse bees from one of the other hives, and make ourselves a nuke. Alright. Let's get busy. And of course, as always, if you enjoy my beekeeping, I'd love it if you could subscribe. So just putting honey in that one, bit of nectar, not unusual from the outer frame. Those ones usually get left for that purpose. This looks pretty full, looks like kind of like a honey frame to me, but it's not. As soon as you pick it up, a lot of nectar there. Yeah, just got successfully stung. Ouchies. How they managed to sting me through this thing, I'll never know. But they do manage. Oh, that hurt. Now I'm not wearing my floppy hat today. And the one place they can actually usually sting me is right on the crease. That's exactly what happened this time round. So got lots of larvae there. Gonna leave that as it is, no queen cell. It's okay, girls, I get that you're not happy. Now, you know those people out there that do their beekeeping without gloves or without protective gear? I will never be one of those people. Oh, it really smarts. It'll subside. Like fifth form English, all bad things pass. That looks like a drone. Oh. And you will notice that I do that because I really don't like being stung. Okay, that one's come up. Still haven't found, I've seen some larvae, so I know we've got a queen in here. Still haven't found a queen cell though. That is what I'm hoping for, is a queen cell. Queen cups, no queen cell. Same again. No queen cell. We've got drones though, which is good. Good to have a few of them around. Oh boy, I'm getting attacked. Alright, let's just put this back together a little bit. And we'll stick to the earlier decision. Which was to take some of the honey from this hive and use it in the next hive. Alright. I think we got off quite lucky with that. And of course, as always, if you enjoy my beekeeping, it'd be great if you could subscribe. Have a good afternoon.